Okay.
It's only question بس 2 3 5 6 it is the questions not the paragraphs صح؟
No, question 2, question 3, question
Yes,
5,
okay,
question 6. Okay.
okay. افتكرته اللي هو يعني اللي هو paragraph number 2
لا
5
يا
6.
يوسف، لا يا يوسف، مش هنفتكر اي حاجه يا يوسف، مش هنفتكر اي حاجه. احنا مضيعين حصه وحالين دوت، وعارفين ان احنا 2 و 3 اهو. دي الايفيدنس اهي يا يوسف، وده السؤال اللي قبله.
Yes, okay.
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 Yusuf,
Yeah.
I'm going to remind you of the answer of this one, despite that we finish everything related to. We said that when we come to answer
Okay.
the evidence, even support and analogy, you look at the first question, actually how you know them, because this is a real test. So you find them that they come after each other, like one with lines and the before it without lines. So they are related. The one that is here, the same thing, 5 and 6. You have here lines and you have here the question. So what you're going to do, you have
Yes.
4 steps. Number 1,
Okay.
to find the keywords on the first question. Number 2, you search for the keywords on the second question. Number 3, we said we read the question, find the keywords, then find the keywords here on the line after, then you make a match. Tell me now the answer for number 2 and number 3, Yusuf.
Number 2, rage and indignation.
So resignation, this one?
No,
or,
no, no,
or
number
C?
C.
Letter C. So
C,
rage
C.
and indignation. Okay. What about number 3?
C on also C.
So both of them C. Okay.
Yes.
Listen now to my explanation.
Okay.
As we said that we are going to look first at the first line, the first question. And the first question, he said, John Reed tone in the beginning of the passage is that of. Okay, so I need to search for John Reed tone. Take care. I want to search for John Reed tone, the way of speaking. The way of speaking, Yusuf. Then I'm going to go to the line. He said from 41 to 44, from habitually to roots. From habitually
To cruise.
to roots. And as we said, Yusuf, the sentence must be complete. Here end with colon. So I have to complete it, but under one condition, that it will not interfere with what come after. What come after actually is 51. So let's go. Okay, it's away from 51. Let's read it now. He said, habitually, obedient to John. Take care. I need something to describe. To describe what? To describe John Reed tone. But here he said, habitually obedient to John. So someone accustomed or is obedient to John, not John. I came up to his chair. He spent some 3 minutes in thrusting out his tongue at me as far as he could without damaging the roots. I knew he would soon strike, and while reading the blow, I mused on the disgusting and ugly appearance of him who would presently deal it. Okay, teacher, nothing here talk about the tone of John Reed. He just talk about his action, that he's gonna hit her. So it's not the answer. Clear, Yusuf?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to B. So A is wrong. B, from 51 till 53. Also I till chair.
Okay.
51, I till chair. I tottered, and on regaining my equilibrium, retired back a step or two from his chair. Wait, teacher. Also, it doesn't talk about the tone of John Reed. So no information that give me. You just talk about her, how she start, make a kind of equilibrium again. So it's not the answer. Let's go to C, from 60 till 63, from accustomed till insult. 60
Okay.
till 63. Accustomed to John Reed's abuse. Wait, hear his tone. He's abusing her. He used bad words. I never had an idea of replying to it. My care was how to endure the blow. Only her care not to reply his bad words. The only thing that she wants to endure the blow, which would certainly follow the insult. Okay, maybe because here he mentioned John Reed tone, that he used bad words, he used
Yeah.
insult. Okay, let's go from 89 till 91. 89 from there till succeeded. The cut bled. The pain was sharp. My terror has passed its climax. Other feelings succeeded. Nothing here talk about the tone of John Reed. So your answer down is right. Let's read it again just to find which one will match it from the first question. Accustomed to John Reed's abuse, I never had an idea of replying to it. My care was how to endure the blow, which would certainly follow the insult. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go up and find which one will make it or will match it. Do you know the meaning of these words, Yusuf, or you didn't search for it?
Yes, yes, I searched for it and wrote in the copybook with me.
Excellent. Okay. May you tell me ambivalence means what?
I wrote it with Arabic.
Okay. Tell me the Arabic for it.
التناقض.
Okay. Yes. It's something contradictory. Did you find anything that contradict here?
No.
Okay. So no contradiction. Find
Yes.
anything that caution?
No.
Okay. Let's go to the other one. Do you know the meaning of resignation?
Yes, to leave the work.
What?
To leave the work.
Okay. To resign, to leave his work.
Yes.
Compliance.
Compliance to معناها امتثال.
Okay, like to obey, the right?
Yes.
Do you find anything here talk about resignation and compliance?
No.
Okay, let's go after. Take care that he said that she accustomed to,
Yes.
and she accustomed to his insult. Okay,
Okay.
so you don't feel that it's not compliance. ما انت قلت تمتثل. It's not compliance, Yusuf?
Yeah, it has.
Yes, okay. What about resignation? How she's gonna leave work? No, here no doesn't mean leave work. Here to give up, not to reply to him.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe B, because she accustomed to whatever he's doing and she didn't reply. Look at it again. He said, accustomed to John Reed's view, I never had an idea of replying. So she gave up. She never replied. Okay? She never do an action for him. So it's better to say B, Yusuf. The right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at rage. Do you know the meaning of rage?
What?
Rage. What does it mean, rage?
Angry. To be angry.
To be angry. Did you find in the sentence anybody be angry?
No.
She didn't be angry at all. The right?
Yes.
Okay. Indignation. What does it mean?
معناها السخط.
Hmm?
السخط.
Okay. So it's the same meaning of also rage. To be sad. Okay. So it's not because no, she didn't be sad. She actually gave up.
Yeah.
Okay. After that.
To be like naivety.
Naivety.
Yes. To feel like or no, to be like
Do you know the one that is
يعني
innocent, that he didn't do anything, he didn't do any problem?
ساذج، شخص ساذج أهو.
Yes. And optimism means that he look at the bright side of life. Did you
Yes.
find anything that talk about that?
No.
Maybe naivety, but optimism, no. So the answer is B and C.
Okay.
Okay, Yusuf?
Okay.
Okay, number 5, Yusuf.
Number 5. B.
What?
B.
B and number 5, and the
Yes.
number 6?
Number 6 is D.
D. Okay, let's find Yusuf. He said the main character mentioned the Roman emperor. Take care. The main character mentioned the Roman emperor in line 94 till 95 to imply that. So now I need something talk about the Roman emperor. And we have to look at 94 to 95 because it's one of the indicator, one of the keyword. Let's go from 94 to 95. Here, this one, look, the Roman emperors. But I have to take the full sentence, Yusuf. So from here, he said, you are like a murderer. You are like a murderer. You are like a killer. You are like a slave driver. Clear?
Okay.
You are like the Roman emperors. Okay? Here we mentioned the Roman emperors, and he makes similarity between someone and the emperor, between someone and the murderer, between someone and slave driver. Okay. Let's find Yusuf.
يعني القصة يعني my answer is right.
I didn't say it. Let me complete.
Okay.
I didn't say it right or wrong. From 85 till 89, from I till it. 85 till 89. From I till it. Okay. He said, I instinctively started aside with a cry for alarm. Now the narrator, she started to be aside. Not soon enough, however, the volume was flung. It hit me, and I fell striking my head against the door and cutting it. Nothing talk about the emperor and why she said, you are like an emperor. You are, okay, so we are going to cancel this. Okay, Yusuf?
Okay.
Let's look at B. From 93 till 95, from wicked till emperors. 93. The same line, Yusuf. Take care. The same line. He said, wicked and cruel boy. I said, she told him, you are wicked and cruel boy. You are like a murderer. You are like a slave driver. You are like the Roman emperors. It's better, Yusuf, when you find the answer, include in the keywords that he gave it to us in the lines. So it's better to keep it the last. It's better to keep it the last. So I'm not going to take it now, Yusuf. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
So it's maybe right, maybe wrong. Let's go from 96 to 98. I till it. From 96. Okay. Here he said, I had read Goldsmith's history of Rome. Take care, we're talking about Roman emperor. And had formed my opinion of Nego, Caligula, etc. Okay, here also he mentioned emperors, Roman emperors. Clear? But he didn't tell me why he mentioned them, because he asked about why he mentioned them to imply that. So again, no, I'm not gonna take it. So your answer now, from 98 to 100, from also till allowed. Also, I had drawn parallels. Parallels means similarity. Between whom? Between the one of the characters that mean John, between John and the Roman emperors. Because John is slave driver. John is a murderer. John is Roman emperor. So she made parallels in silence, which I never thought thus to have declared aloud. Yes, it can be the right answer because she made similarities. Clear?
Yes. Okay.
So the answer for number 6, as you mentioned here, it's D. Let's go to 5. So she said, also, I had drawn parallels in silence, which I never thought thus to have declared aloud. So let's find out. John Reed shares traits with previous historical tyrants. Yes, he shared traits. He looks like them.
No.
He said here, as also I had drawn Paris in silence, which I never thought thus to have declared aloud. So she made similarities. So they share traits, both of them. So this better. John Reed is powerful and unforgiving. No, she didn't say that. She made pattern. She made similarities. The main character both fears and despises John Reed. She fears from him, but she didn't mention that here. John Reed views himself as a ruler. No. So the answer is A and D.
Okay.
Clear, Yusuf?
Okay.
Also here, you got the evidence right, but the evidence support wrong.
Okay.
Okay, Yusuf, I want you to concentrate when you're answering. Both of them must match together.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see for the coming period, because each time, if we finish a card of evidence, if each time you have to answer relate to that test. This is a real test. Here we don't have evidence even support. How I know? Because I search for the question that has lines. Okay, here. Look, Yusuf. Huh? It's 13. So the homework is gonna be 13, 12, I'm sorry.
And 19.
13.
19 also.
Just let me see. So 18 and 19. Perfect.
Sorry,
Yusuf.
okay, it's 13 and 19 also, so?
Yes, 18 and 19. Okay, do we have anything else in this passage? No. Okay. So this is the first homework. Now, let's go to something else, Yusuf. Last time we had finished
Yes.
the evidence support, the analogy. Now we're gonna go to other two skills. The other two skills is called function and inference, Yusuf. Clear? It's called what, Yusuf?
Function and inference.
Yes.
After it, the vocabulary and tone. After it, picture. After it, little picture. After graph.
Yes. But now let's keep an inference and function.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
I'm gonna send it for you right now.
Okay, خلاص. Okay, I'm with you, Mr. Man.
You're talking to me, Yusuf?
No.
Okay. Have you received the file, Yusuf?
Yes. No.
Okay, it will come for you right now. Okay, Yusuf, until it's sent to you. The inference and function, Yusuf, it has 3 levels of hardness. You are with me?
Okay.
It has 3 levels of hardness. Like it has the easiest level, a middle level, and a hard level.
Okay.
Okay. The main thing, but this will come later, Yusuf, when we start solving a full test.
Okay.
That how to manage your time when you are solving. I think now it's sent for you. Yusuf.
Nothing. Do you mean the homework?
No, no, no. I'm talking about the new file.
No, nothing sent to me.
But when it came, just tell me, please.
Okay.
Okay, let's look at my screen now, Yusuf.
Okay. I can see now. I can see.
Okay, so as I told you, we have 2 skills here. One of them is called inference.
And analogy.
The other function.
Okay. The file came.
Okay. As I told you, Yusuf, this kind of 2 skills has 3 levels or 3 level of questions. The first one is the easiest one. And you're going to find in the question, Yusuf, you're going to find in the question lines plus words.
Okay.
The second one, Yusuf, is a kind of average level. You're going to find only lines. The last one, you are with me?
Yes.
The last one is going to be the hard level. And you're going to find only words. Take care. The answer for those questions, you can get them easily. Okay, why you put them in different levels, Yusuf? I put them in different levels because the one for words, you are going to spend or you're going to waste your time searching for the words. But the one for lines and words, he exactly give you the lines that you're going to search in. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So teacher, how we can solve this? As I told you, it's a direct one, but you have to follow my tactic, Yusuf. Let's look at the first example, Yusuf, here in front of you. He said what, Yusuf? He said the author most likely used the examples in lines 1 till 9 of the passage from every till showers. So here he brought for you words, he brought for you lines. So this one of the easiest. Clear?
Yeah.
And he told you from 1 till 9. Are you going to read from 1 till 9? No, Yusuf. Read only the part that has the example.
What does it mean?
Okay? 1 minute for what?
No, what's the meaning?
What the meaning? Okay.
Yes.
I'm talking about that here in this kind of question. I'm going to give you lines and plus words. Is that right?
Okay.
Here the words, examples.
Yes.
I want to search for the examples here, Yusuf. You're not going to read from 1 till 9. Because like that, you're going to have multiple answers here.
Okay.
So A can be, B can be, C can be, D can be. You got it? So all of them can be an answer for this question. So what you're going to do, search for the examples on those lines. I need only examples. Let's read it together and find where are the examples. It said every day millions of shoppers hit the stores in full force, both online and on-phone, searching frantically for the perfect gift. Last year, Americans spent over $30 billion at retail stores in the month of December alone. Aside from purchasing holiday gifts, most people regularly buy presents for other occasions through the year, including, including is a word that expresses about examples. So where are the examples? Wedding, birthdays, anniversaries, graduation, and baby showers. So where you're going to read now, teacher, you're going to read only the sentence that has these kind of examples. Here only, Yusuf. Clear?
Yeah.
So the answer is only here. Why the answer is only here? Because we are searching for the examples. So let's find. Aside from purchasing holiday gifts, means aside, go away from purchasing holiday gifts, most people regularly buy presents for other occasions throughout the year, including weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, graduation, and baby showers. Let's look here, Yusuf. Here he said regularity. Take care of the words. The words here must express or match something here. Regularity. Here he said regularly. Can you see?
Yes.
Regularity with which people shop for gifts. Yes, and here they are shopping for gifts. Here they are purchasing holiday gifts. So it can be the right answer. The right, Yusuf?
Yeah.
Recent increase in the amount of money spent on gifts. Is there any kind of amount of money is mentioned here?
Yes.
Yusuf,
What, Mister?
is there any kind of money mentioned here?
No. Yes.
No. Where?
It's weddings.
When? I'm talking
Wedding.
about amount of money, Yusuf. Amount of money.
Amount of money. No.
Okay. Why I told you don't read the whole thing? Because amount of money was indicating here, Yusuf. So because of that, some people are going to choose also B. I asked you to only take the sentence that had the example. That's here. Okay, wait, teacher. If I read from 1 till 9, why B is going to be wrong? Because here he said recent increase. And here he didn't mention anything about recent increase. He just mentioned only one amount. Not two amounts compare between them. Clear, Yusuf?
Yeah.
Okay. Anxiety. Gift shopping causes for consumer. Is there anything to talk about anxiety here?
No.
Okay. Number of special occasion involved gift giving. Wait, teacher. Yes, he talked about occasions. He talked about weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, baby shower. They are occasions. And he said number. And there is gift giving. We are talking about gift giving. So it can be the right answer, Yusuf. The right?
Yes.
So now I'm between A and D. Which one now is the right answer? You must find one of them that has wrong or additional word. Here he said regularity with which people shop for gifts. Yeah, it's the same thing. He said most people regularly buy presents for other occasions throughout the year. Yes, he talked about shopping for gifts. Let's look at here. Number of special occasion. Wait. I know that wedding, birthday, anniversary, graduation, baby shower is a kind of special occasion. But here he's talking to us. So can it be special?
No.
No. So that's the wrong answer, Yusuf. The right answer is A. Clear, Yusuf?
Clear.
Okay. Let's look at another one. Don't forget that we have 3 levels. We started with the easiest. Still, the average level and the hard level. Let's look here, Yusuf. This example of the hard. Why, teacher, is an example of the hard? Because actually here he mentioned the words without mentioning the line. Take care. The passage doesn't look like this in the test. The passage is around 95 lines or more. Clear? So in the test, you're going to search for all these words in the 95 or more. lines in the test. Here I brought for you only the part that have the answer. Let's find what we are searching for. Here he said the author's main purpose of including the information about X-ray evidence and density is to. The author's main purpose of including the information about X-ray evidence density. What I'm going to search for, I want to search for the keywords. So K X-ray evidence and density. I'm going to search for these two words in the whole passage. Here, Yusuf, I brought for only the part that had these words. Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Let's find X-ray evidence and density. Huh? X-ray
Okay.
evidence here.
Yes.
And density here.
Yes.
So I'm going to take this sentence.
Okay.
Do you remember when I told you if you find in the beginning of the sentence, however, or but, or and, what you're going to do? What you're going to do?
Find it.
Yeah, if you find however, or but, or and in the beginning of the sentence, what you're going to do? You're going to take a sentence before it.
Take the all of the
The
sentence.
sentence before it, Yusuf.
Yes.
So we take a sentence before. Wait. In the beginning of the sentence, there is it. So take again another sentence before it. Done. So the answer is here, Yusuf. Let's read it. He said these two chains are both coiled around a common fiber axis. It has often been assumed that since there was only one chain in the chemical formula, there would only be one in the structure unit. However, the density taken with the X-ray evidence suggests very strongly that there are two. Wait, teacher. There is a kind of repetition here. He said two chains. He said one chain. He said one. Then here he said two. Okay, Yusuf?
Okay.
In English, when we are writing, if you want to persuade people about your point of view, you repeat. So here he repeats, and sometimes we repeat in three. So now he repeats. So this is so important for us. It's something that make a function or inference. Let's find here. Here he said establish that DNA, the molecule that carries the genetic information. Did you find any information here talk about a molecule, genetic information?
No.
Okay, so cancel. Present an alternate hypothesis about the composition of a nucleotide. Did we talk about the composition of the nucleotide?
No.
Provide support for the author's claim about the number of chains in a molecule of DNA. About what?
Yes. Number. Yes.
Number of what?
Of chains.
Chains. So two chains, one chain, 1, 2. Yes, here you talk about number of chains. So it can be the right answer. It matches what we are searching for. Let's look at the last one. Confirm the relationship between the density of DNA and the non-chemical form of DNA. Yes, we talk about the density. But did we talk about the non-chemical formula of DNA?
No.
Okay. So the answer is what, Yusuf?
C.
Clear, Yusuf?
Clear.
Okay. Let's go to number 3, Yusuf. Take care. I gave you one example for an easy line plus words. I gave you one example of hard, only words. Let's go to example 3 and find out what kind of it.
This is the
Here,
third number.
Yusuf?
This is the hardest.
Example 2 is the hardest, yes.
Okay.
I told you why it's hard, Yusuf, because you're going to search for the words in a whole text. Clear?
Okay.
So it will waste your time. This kind of question, actually, when it came for you, you have to leave it till the end. Clear?
Okay.
But this is easy. You can solve it directly.
Yes,
Let's
yes.
go now and find this. He said the social psychologist, okay,
Okay.
mentioned in paragraph 2 from line 17 to 34. Are you going to read the whole paragraph? No. You have to search for the social psychologist. There is another word. Did weight loss. Clear, Yusuf?
Yeah, yes, yes.
So let's find social psychologist and did weight loss. Okay. Anthropologists describe gift giving as a positive social process. Serving verbs, political, religious, and psychological. No, I need social psychologists. Okay, function. Economists, however, offer a less favorable view according to Wadfall. 1993, giving represent an objective waste of resources. People buy gifts that recipients will not choose to buy. I need to find these words. Where are they? Huh? I found did weight loss here. And I found another did weight loss here. I need now the social psychologist. Here. Social psychologist. Do we have others? No. So now I'm going to read only the sentence that include these words. Look, Yusuf. I'm going to read only the sentence that include these words. So here did with loss. So from here till here, Yusuf, only. Not the whole paragraph. So the answer is here, Yusuf. Clear? He said people buy gifts that recipients will not choose to buy on their own, or at least not spend as much money to purchase. A phenomenon referred to as the dead weight loss of Christmas. To wit, givers are likely to spend $100 to purchase a gift that receivers would spend only $80 to buy themselves. This dead weight loss suggests that gift givers are not very good, take care, are not very good at predicting what gifts others will appreciate. That in itself is not surprising to social psychologists. So the social psychologists know that it's not surprising. Okay, let's find. May you find that it's predictable?
Yes.
Yes, he said here predicting. So it can be predictable. And I told you it's direct. Questionable? Yusuf.
Yes, Mister.
I know I'm talking about B. Questionable? Is it right?
No, no.
No. Disturbing means annoying. Do you find anything that is disturbing here?
No.
Okay. Unprecedented.
Also,
Do you know what the meaning of unprecedented?
It is predictable.
No, unprecedented means something new.
Yes, okay. The answer is predictable.
Yeah, predictable. Predictable.
Yes.
Clear, Yusuf. Okay, Yusuf. Your turn, Yusuf, now. I'm not going to tell you. This is easy, Yusuf. You have the line here from 12 to 19. That means from here till here. But he said words, Yusuf. He said a feature of biological interest. Find the answer, Yusuf, and tell me.
Okay. See? Mister.
Yeah, Yusuf, it's clear. Where did you find the feature of biological interest, Yusuf? Look, feature.
It is D or C.
You have to choose one, Yusuf.
Will be D.
Okay. Yusuf, as I told you, we have keywords here. Feature, biological interest. I found them here, Yusuf. Look, feature, biological interest. Yes. So only, I'm going to read this part only, Yusuf. Clear?
Okay.
He said the first feature of our structure, which is of biological interest, is that it consists not of one chain, but of two. So the chemical form of DNA, it doesn't talk about the chemical form of DNA. The common fiber axis, nothing here mentioned the common fiber axis. Do you know, Yusuf, if you extend, you're going to find common fiber axis. You're going to find the chemical formula of DNA. Because of that, I told you, take care. Don't read more. Read just as he told you. The X-ray evidence, no here anything about
okay,
X-ray evidence. But X-ray evidence was mentioned down, as you can see. DNA consisting of the two chains. Yes, here we talk about one chain, part of two. So
that's
it
I
can
said
be the right
D.
answer.
I said D.
What, Yusuf?
I said D.
Yes, I
I
know.
said
I'm
D.
just explaining, Yusuf.
Okay,
I'm explaining only. Okay, Yusuf.
okay.
Exercise 2. Let's find it. He gave you words, Yusuf. Exact, specific,
Specific
complement.
complement.
Where are you going to find them? From 47 to 49.
45.
47 from here
Write
till
down
49
till
here.
okay.
You'll find the answer.
It will be B.
What?
B.
B?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
Let's find. I need to search for in those from here till here. I need to search for exact. Exact is here. Let me just.
Okay.
Exact is here. Specific.
Mm.
Specific is here. Complement. Complement is here. So now I'm gonna take from the beginning of the sentence till the end. The beginning is here, and where is the end? The end is here. So only in that part use.
Okay.
Says on one of the pair of chains we're given, one could write down the exact order of the bases on the other one because of the specific pairing. Thus, one change is, as it were, the complement of the other. And it's this feature which suggests how the deoxyribonucleic acid molecule might duplicate itself. Okay. He said confirm that the nucleotide sequence are known for most molecules of DNA. Okay.
No.
He doesn't talk about sequences, nucleotide. No. Counter the claim. Do you know what the meaning of counter, Yusuf?
Counter.
Counter.
Counter. Like the reception.
No. If I told
The
you counter the claim.
take it.
No. Counter here, Yusuf, means to be against. تبقى ضده.
Okay.
So here he said counter the claim that the sequences of bases along a chain can occur in any order. He's not countering.
Okay.
He's not countering. So there's wrong use. Support the claim that the phosphate sugar backbone of author's model is completely regular. Where the phosphate? Nothing talk about phosphate sugar. Emphasize, Yusuf, how one chain, pairs of chain.
Okay.
One chain.
Okay.
Emphasize how one chain of DNA may
Okay.
replicate during DNA replication. So the answer is D. Clear, Yusuf?
Clear.
Take care, Yusuf, please.
Okay.
Okay, Yusuf. Number exercise 3. Do it, please. Think.
Okay. It will be B.
It will be B. Let's see.
Yes.
Okay. He said the range of places and occasion listed in 72 till 76. So from here
Mm.
till here. Okay. From let us to funeral merely serve to emphasize how. Let's find places and occasion. From
Okay.
72, yes, offices, omnibuses, all these are place and occasion. Coronation
Okay.
and Lord Mayor shows, gallery of the House of Commons, law courts, marriages,
No,
baptism.
it will be C. It will be C.
No, your
C,
answer is
C.
right. Your answer is right, ya Yusuf. Haram. Why? Wait, ya Yusuf.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Don't hurry. We said. Okay, if you find now, let's take
Okay.
from the beginning. So from let us till the end. So the whole thing. He said, look at the repetition, Yusuf. Look at the repetition. Let us think in
Yes, yes.
offices, in omnibuses, while we are watching in the crowd watching coronation and Lord Mayor shows. Let us think again in the gallery of the House of Commons, in the law courts. Let us think at baptism and marriage and funeral. Look, he repeat let us think 3 times. So let's find here. Novel, the challenge
Mm.
faced by women is, he doesn't talk about any women here. And no challenges, no
Mm.
conflicts. Pervasive means spreading. The need for critical reflection, yes, here is talk about critical reflection. Why? Because he push or urge people to think, and it comes from critical thinking, critical reflection. So you're right. Complex, the political and social issues that they are. He talk about political,
Yes.
yes, law courts, yes, he talk. Social, yes, baptism, marriages, funeral. But he didn't say that they are complex.
Okay.
Enjoyable, the career possibility for women are. He doesn't talk about any career possibility for women. The same thing like A. So the answer is B. Yusuf, when you answer, please just stick to your answer, okay? Yusuf,
Okay.
clear?
Nice.
I
Clear, clear.
told you when you are answering, stick to your answer. You find that it's pervasive, the need for critical reflection, and this is what he mentioned here. Let us think, let us think, let us think. Why you choose, why you just want to change to C?
Because I saw because the كلمة low.
Okay, I'm with you that there are political and social issues, but are they complex, Yusuf?
No.
Okay. Yusuf, take care also from this, please.
Okay. وفينش يا مستر؟
What, Yusuf?
وفينشد.
No, I'm waiting for you just to solve.
اوكي. والبي ايه؟
Let's find. Here he said in line 9 to 17.
يس.
The author. So you're going to get from where? From here till here. The author of passage 1 mentioned several companies. Take care. So I need now something that mentions several companies. Primarily 2. Okay. So I need several companies. If you're going to find here, there's a company, Planetary Resource of Washington. There's another company, Deep Space Industries of Virginia. Do we have another company? Yes. Golden Spike, Colorado. So now we're going to take from here till the end.
Yes.
Said Planetary Resource of Washington says it will launch its first prospecting telescopes in 2 years, while Deep Space Industries of Virginia hopes to be harvesting metal from asteroids by 2020. Another commercial venture that sprung up in 2012, Golden Spike, Colorado, will be offering trips to the moon, including to potential lunar miners. Okay, let's find here. No, the technological advances, improvement in technology that makes space mining possible. Here he talk about telescope. Okay, we're gonna say that telescope may be technological advances, but here he doesn't talk about any technology. Here nothing. No technology is mentioned. Here offering trips to the moon. He doesn't talk about technology. Thank you. It's not A, because the 3 companies must have technological advances.
Yes.
Let's look at B. Provide evidence for the growing interest in space mining. Telescope will be sent to the space. Okay. Here he said harvest metal from asteroid. So also talk about space. Here will offer trips to the moon, including lunar miners. So the people that they got out, mine or extract mine from the moon. So we talk about space. So it can be B. Let's look at C. Emphasize the large profits to be made from space mining. Here he didn't talk about any profits. Here he didn't talk about any profits. Here he didn't talk about any profits. So it's not the answer. D. Highlight the diverse ways to carry out space mining operation. Here he didn't talk about carrying out space mining operation. Here he talked, He talked about that. He said harvesting metals. It can be. Here, no. So the answer is B. Clear, Yusuf?
Clear.
Okay. Your homework, Yusuf, in this file is
Okay.
going to be the same thing. Just to
Okay.
repeat the same words, Yusuf, not to go out of context. Here
Yes.
are two skills, inference and function. We find three levels.
Yeah.
The easiest, lines and words. The average or the medium lines. The hardest words. So you have only in this one to find the words and read only the sentence or the sentences that include the words. In the lines, we didn't take anything right now for lines, but we take one for words. This one, you have to search for the words and read the part that include the words. The sentence start with however, but, and take a sentence before. If it start with a vague pronoun, he, she, it, they, take a sentence before. Clear, Yusuf?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Your homework, Yusuf? Homework 1. And 2 only, plus the homework that I gave it to you relate to the test.
Yeah.
Okay, Yusuf?
Yes.
Okay. You can leave, Yusuf. Any question that you want to ask?
شكرا يا مستر. لا شكرا يا مستر.